So first of all, good evening everyone. Welcome to this channel, and my name is Ritesh, and today we are going to the writing the source code here for the create the mini dictionary. Okay, so our project for this our session, that is a mini dictionary creation. Okay, yes. So I hope that you have the clarity that what we are going to do in this session. Okay, that is a has include. I'm just writing the source. I'm just including the header file. Some header files inside out. I'm just including some header files in my source file. Okay, that is a has include stdio.h, and we are just going to the use the only and only C, not any other programming. Okay, has include and then stdlib.h. Okay, that is a standard library. Because why we are going to the library use, because all these things whatever is including in the stdio, all these things will be defining here. All these things have to be defined inside this header file, not in this header file. Okay, this is the main panda that we are going to use the library also. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity. And again and I'm just going to then include the one another header file, that is a string.h header file. Okay, because the main reason is here that in this program we will use the string header files. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity. And I want to say you something, that today's project is what, if we will give the input a to z, between a to z, okay, among a to z, we will give the input. Okay, so suppose I am just giving the a, then I should have to the show the relevant word meanings. That is a army man. Okay, first is a, that is a army man. Okay, and second maybe second maybe the arm, and third one is maybe the anger, anger, or etc. so on about it. Okay, so you can add any so you can add more and more there. So it is the funda about our project, that what we are going to do in this session, in this video. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity. So what we are going to do, I want to say you something, that you should have to the clarity about some functionalities, some topics in the C programming. That is a first one is what, the first one is the functions you should have to the clear. Okay, functions you should have to the clear. Second one is what, second one is a structure you should have to the clear, a structure. And the third one is what, third one is nothing but you should have to the clarity about the if else, if and else. Okay, means conditions, condition. Okay, and fourth one is what, fourth one is a string here. Okay, you should have to the clarity about all these three things, four things, and then you can easily understand here all these things, that what we are going to do. Okay, yes. So first of all, as you know that we are going to the project is that we are going to the fetch the values when we take the input a to z. Okay, means maybe random any choice will be user from the user. Okay, and then we are going to the show the relevant meanings, that is maybe these types. Okay, so I am just create one layout for the containing the all these things. Okay, so a struct, and then a struct, and then our structure name is I am just writing the source code for the create the structure name is a. Okay, so this is our structure name. And then what we are going to do, as you know that whatever we are going to the store the which types of the values we are going to the, we are going to the show the meanings, that is our meanings will be there. Okay, so we are going to the use the array of the characters. Okay, that is I am just taking the a1 for the size with the size 30. Okay, and char a2 and size is the 30. Okay, so again and again I am just writing. You can do that, you if you want to the store the more than 100, you can also use the more than 100 lines here. Okay, yes. So I am just mainly containing the C in 6 6. Okay, so I am just containing 6 member in our structure. Okay, because all these 6 of a members will be containing the one specific words meanings. Okay, so I will create one logic, you can say. Okay, so I will do something that a1 will be assigned, from the army man, and yeah, okay, and a2 will be assigned as a ant, anger, or anything. Okay, so these types of the we are going to create the logics, then all these things will happen. So what we are going to do, we are going to fetching the value from the our structure. So we should have to the first of all we should have to the values there. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to set the we should have to set the values there. Okay, so I am just create again a second structure for the B and C. I am just taking some structures. Okay, because for your clarity that. Okay, so B1, B2, B3, B4, B4 and B5 and B6 is here. Okay, so all these structures containing five members. Okay, so I am just again AZ below, and here what we are going to do, we are going to use the Z1, Z2 means these types of the things, because the main reason is here that we are going to store the here values relevant the character, that is a Z will be there. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what we have to the done here. So A and B and Z is the nothing but these things are the structures in our source codes. Okay, so where we are going to the where we will assign the value, you can say also. Okay, yes. So I hope that you are understanding that what we are going to do here. So after that we should have to the values there, then we can also access. Without value, how can we access? Okay, so I am just going to the writing the source code for the set the values there. Okay, so set value, set mean. I am just writing the set mean, that is a void and then set mean. Set mean A. Okay, set mean A underscore A. That is the function name is here. Okay, means through this set mean A function, what we are going to do, we are just going to set the meanings inside our structure is all the members all the members. Okay, so we will assign here A1, A2, A3 by some specific meanings, what meanings. Okay, so what we have to do, so we should have to first create the link to go there. Okay, so I am just going to see that what is our structure name. So our structure name is A, so that's why we have to created one function, that is a set meaning to the A structure. So I have to taken this type of the one, you can say that is a variable name, you can say. Okay, yes, that is a function name I have to choose. Okay, and what we are going to do, so you should have to first create the link to access the all members of that our structure. So student A, okay, sorry for that, struct, and then a student, and then what should we are going to do, we are going to create the link for which things, for link A we have to created. Okay, so you can take here any types of the name, but this is a syntax. Sorry for one mistake here, that is a student is nothing here. Okay, a student is nothing, so a structure name is A, and then link is a link A. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what we have to do. And as you know that what is the meaning of the strcpy. Okay, what is the use of the strcpy, so I am just using here. Okay, so how can you use that link A? So link A is a containing the link to the access the for the access the all the members of the structures. That is a types of the structure, because here we have to the create the link a for the only and only structure for the structure a. Okay, so link a dot a1 a2 a3, all these things, all these arrays you can access through this link. Okay, so I have to the use here dot operator. You can see here that we have to use the dot. So dot is what? Dot operator is also, dot is nothing that what is a that it is a operator, you can say, that is a called the dot operator, and which used to the access the members of the structures. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity. You should have to the thing that dot is what? Here dot is just like a path. When we are going to the, if you want to the go to the destination, so we should have one path. So here it is also just like a work as a path. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what is the meaning of that. And then a1. Okay, link a dot a1. Okay, and then we are going to the separate, and then I am just going to the assigning the values there. Okay, so I am just writing here the army man. Okay, army man. So army man have to the copy to the a1 variable or a1 array. Okay, so a1 is containing just like a I am just say you that this one is containing just like a army man. Okay, so this is the internal happening. Okay, and then what's happened, this one have to the copy to the here in this for this array. Okay, so again and again we are going to the do strcpy and then link name of the structure, and then which variable, and then we are going to the value here. Okay, so this is the syntax of the copy of the string to the destination variables of the structure. Okay, so here I am just writing the anger. Okay, yes, and then strcpy and strcpy link a dot a3. Okay, and then I am just writing apply. Okay, apply. Okay, so we have to the insert the three values for our array, but again and again we have to the do. So I'm just going to the copy and paste. Okay, and then I'm just changing something here. Okay, so here I'm just taking the and then application. Okay, application, and then I'm just taking the among. Okay, so I have to the choose the some specific word meanings to our all these members of our the structure. Okay, so all these things have to the assign here. Okay, so I hope that you have to the got it that what we have to the done here through this code. Okay, so again we have to the set the meaning, we have to the set the meaning only for the this structure. Okay, so all these things is containing some specific meanings here. Okay, so I hope that we are understanding all these things here. Okay, so we have the also the remaining two structures. So I am just going to also assigning here the some specific word meanings. So for that I am just also creating the function that is a. Okay, so I am just creating the set meaning for the b structure. Okay, set meaning for the b structure, that is a return type is nothing here, return type is a void. Okay, a struct a and then link b. Here we are going to the creating the link for the b structure, so link b. Okay, so this is the name only, you can take any types of the name of the link. Okay, link b. Okay, and here also b1, and here also we should have to change, that is I am just taking the banana first, banana. Okay, and then here you can see that the link b is containing the these types of the uh, members, that is a b1 b2 b3 or so on. Okay, b3 b4 and b5 and b6. Okay, So all these things is containing something, a specific thing, something, a specific words will be contained. Okay, so bomb, and then I am just string is taking that is a bad. Okay, and then BUBBLE. Okay, bubble, and then I am just taking the some specific meanings here. Which one we have to the we are want to the assigning there. Okay, so we can also take the beer. Okay, you can take the brown. Okay, a lot of meanings is here in this world. You can take any types of any. Okay, yes. So I hope that you are got all these things that what we are going to the do here. So we have to the also set the values for our structure. Okay, that is a B structure. For the all the members of the B structure, we have to the done all these things. Okay, so after the set, sorry, this one is the not the, yes. So we have to the set also for the B structures, all the for the all the members of the structure B. Okay, so I am just writing the source code. I am just creating the one again function for the Z. Okay, so I am just again copy and paste here. I'm again just going to the copy and paste and white set meaning for the Z structure, not for the A. Okay, and here we are going to the creating the link, that is a link Z, not A. Okay, and then what we are going to the do here, link Z and dot Z1. Okay, and Z link Z and then Z2. All these things should have to the here. Okay, link Z and then Z3, Z4, Z5 and Z6. That is a 6 is here, 6 will be here, and 6 5 and 5 will be 5 will be here, and the 4 will be here. Okay, and 3 and then 2 and 1. Okay, and then what we are going to do here, we have the, we should have to change the link, that is a link Z will be here, that is a link Z. Okay, and then I am just going to the assigning the some specific meanings for the, all these members of the structure Z. So I am just going to the taking the zebra. Okay, and then zoom, and then I am just going to this J Jubair. Okay, jelly, and then I'm just going to the taking the some specific meaning, that is a jo. I'm just taking that is a Jan. Okay, you can take any meanings randomly, whatever is the some specific word meaning, defining the some meanings. Okay, so Z is Z. Okay, so I have to the taken the six word meanings to the assigning the for the all the members of the our structure, that is a Z structure. Okay, so I hope that you have to the clarity that what we have to the done here. Okay, so we have to the also assign the value from to the our all the members of the our Z structures. Okay, so Z is assigning by the some specific Z's. I want to say you that all the members of the Z have to the assigned by the some specific values. Okay, and also the B also, here we can see that all the relevant of the members of the B related to the B, all these things have to the also containing some specific meanings. Okay, so I hope that you have to the clarity. So here you have to the set the meanings, some specific meanings for that, and then after the set, what we are going to do, we are going to the fetching. Okay, so I am just taking the, again I am just going to create the print print mean a. Okay, print mean a, that is a print meaning for a. Okay, and this is the print mean a is nothing but as you know, that is a function. Okay, so when we will activate this function, so what should have to the do by this? Okay, so I'm just saying that you should have to the print the values. So printf and then modulus s will be used here, and then separate here. Okay, and then what we are going to the do here, I'm just going to the use the tab, and here what we are going to the do modulus s and t, and then here I am just going to the print the our. So we should have to the link to go there, to go in our, to access the all the members of our structure. Okay, so I am just going to the create the again again link a student a, and then link a. Okay, so maybe in your brain one question is arising that, sorry for that, here a struct will be there. Okay, so a struct and then a, and then link a is a name of our link for the our a, to accessing the all these members of the our structure. Okay, so maybe in your brain was question is arising that here also we have to the create the same link. Here you can see same link is here and the same link is also here. So main reason is what? So main reason is that all these things is which type local. This one is a local link, that is a not the global link. Okay, it is not global link. So we are going to the again we can again we can create. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about this. And then what we are going to the do, we have to the created same again one link to the access the all members of the structure a, and then here we are going to the what we are going to do. Here I am just writing the source code. I am just writing the printf with the modulus s and with the tab that print the value of the link a dot a1. Okay, so whatever will be there, all these things will be printed here. Okay, so a1 and then a2 and the a3 a4 a5 a6. Okay, so I'm just here changing something ab and then a3 and the a4 and the a5 and then a6. Okay, yes, so this is the just like a function. You can, this function is activating, and at a time what will be happen, we will get the we can show the meanings relevant of that word, that letter. Okay, so we have the relevant word is a, so we will activate this function at a time what we will, when user is giving the a character as a input, so at a time we will activate this. And also the set mean a and set and print mean a, we will activate at that time. Okay, so I hope that you are good. We have to got it that what we have to done here. So this is one function. Okay, and then we have to the set the functions for the, also for the set the values for the, also for the members of the b and z. So I am just also going to the print for. Okay, so here we have the print mean b, that is for the print meaning b, and here we have the link b will be here. Okay, and then here some link b. Okay, and then here b6 and b5 b4 b3 and b2 and the b1. Okay, so all these things will be accessed here. And again what we are going to do, I'm just again taking the one function that is a wide print mean for the z. okay, and then a struct z, and then link z is here. Okay, so link name is what, link z, and then we are going to the fetching the values z1, z2, z3, z4, z5 and z6 here, and link is what, link z, link z, link z, link z, link z. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about this, all these things. And after the set and all these things, what we should have to the do, what we have to the done, we are just going to the see. Okay, so first of all we have to the created three structures for the containing some specific word meanings. Okay, so we have the three structure, that is a struct a, and then a struct b, and then a struct c, a struct z. Okay, you can take c, d, e, f, g, s, okay, whatever you want. Okay, so at a time what will be happen, here we have the set the meaning for our data structures, all the members we will be set the means, I want to say with that, if we will activate the set functions, so at a time what will be happen, all these meanings will be going to the assigning in the for the our members of the a specific structure. You can say if you are going to the assigning the some values for our structure a, then here you can set the meaning for the all the members of the structure a. Okay, yes, because this is a link for the structure a, bro. You are going to the confusing right now. Okay? So I hope that you have the clarity about all these things here. So a4, a5, a6 is here. Okay, so I hope that you are getting all these things, and here also it's okay. This one is also right, this one is also okay. So we have to the set and print. Okay, and then what we are going to the do, we are going to the use the void main method, because as you know, without main method we can't do anything here. Okay, because the signal will be generated from the main function, bro. Okay, so whatever we are going to do in our source code, all these things we should have to the also call from if you are going to create the functions, then we must have the one main function, because to the calling. Okay, yes, so I am just taking the char type of the char type of a variable, that is a c choice. Okay, but I want to show you something. Okay, something new, that is a type def. Okay, so type def is nothing, this is the user defined also, you guys said it is a user defined data type. Okay, and char type def, and then we can use the ch is the short data type name for the char. Okay, so instead of the char we have to use the ch. Okay, so what will be happen if we will use the ch for the declare or anything? So at a time what will happen, ch is internally containing ch equal to char. Okay, yes, this is a funda here, and we have to take in one variable, this is the character type of the, that is a choice name is here, and then we are going to give the message, that is a printf for the with the printf, that is a please enter your choice for get some relevant meanings. Okay, a to z you can from a to z letters. Okay, letters. So what will be happen, user will be give the some inputs, one specific input for the choice variable. So I am just going to the scanf through the scanf modulo c, because this is the character, that is a choice. Okay, and then address, and then the path of the variable name. Okay, so this is the choice, that is a variable name of our data, that is a character type. We have to the taken the here we have to the take the some letters. Okay, a specific letter for the accessing the values. Okay, so I am just going to the use the condition if choice equal to a. Okay, if choice will be a, so what at that time what should have to the so at that time we should have to the activate the set mean a. Okay, set mean, first of all set this function will be activated, and then what will happen, print mean a. Okay, so what functions we have to the activated through this condition. After this condition, if condition will be false, then this one will be not execute. Okay, so again what we are going to the do, I am just going to the taking the if and else. If else choice will be equal to b. At that time what should have to the what should have perform here, so set mean v, not for a, we are going to the set the meaning for the b structures all members. Okay, so at a time all these meanings will be assigning to the structure of the members of the structure b. Okay, and then print print mean b, print mean b. What's happening, is it not existing, or print mean b, is it here or not? I think that this function is not here. Void print mean b. Okay, so why is it happening here? Struct a, link b is here, z is here, so why is it not working? I think something specific here. So when we choice will be b, then we should have to the activate these things. Okay, and then if else choice will be our choice equal to z. So at a time what will be happen, set z. Okay, and then print z, print mean z. Okay, and after that else print the invalid choice. Okay, so I hope that we have the clarity that what we have to the done here. So then first scan our source code. Yes, some specific error will be here. 64, 1 minute, some errors is occurring here. So void set mean v, the struct a has no member named v2. Oh, b should be yours, and then 95 containing some errors. 95 of these things called the syntax errors, you can see here, and then here we can see again this is happening. 121, 140, 140, 140, 140, 140, 140. Oh, error expected before else. यार क्या ऐसे कर रहा है? Why is it not happening?